Well, everybody, we're back with another jet ski video. Today we'll be focusing on this one. This is my dad's 1980 JS440. This jet ski has been on the channel once before. We put a high-speed starter in it, and that was the last time this jet ski's been touched. I mean, it's been winter, haven't ridden it. It's nice out, may try and ride it. So today I'll give you a video of what it's like to get one of these back out for the start of the season. It's been sitting, it hasn't run since that last video, which I believe was filmed in like October, right there. So it's been sitting for quite a few months. So I guess we will go ahead, get it uncovered, and then see what it takes to get it started, and then go out for a quick little ride. Well, it's time to see if it'll start. We do keep it on like a little solar charger, but it looks like that got unplugged. A deer or dog or something probably went through and knocked it off. So hopefully it's got some battery left. Looks like the throttle's there. Let's maybe give it some choke, and then that was a good sign. That was quick. Got a little bit of fuel there. There we go, got started. So that was actually really quick. So I guess I will put the cap on, lower it down into the water, and take it for a real quick little ride. Well, as y'all can probably see, the jet ski started up really quick for the first time this summer. So now I'm just going to give y'all a little bit of a tip on just how to actually stand up on these. I'm sure since a lot of y'all watching this are probably more of my RX-7 viewers, it's not as hard as it looks, but it takes some practice. Now, the easiest way I have found to do this is, especially when you're learning, is find somewhere where you can stand, like on the bottom, when you're learning. That way you can have one leg standing and one knee up on the platform of the jet ski. And then you can just start it and just, if you're using one like this, like a 440, this is one of the lower power ones, especially if you're like a full-grown person, you're probably going to want to give it all the power she's got, basically. Just floor it and go, and just kind of as you're going, put your other knee up, and then just stand up. And it will work really well. A lot of people actually say, like, you know, go out, they're out in the middle. They do it where they lay down and then they drag. I think that's actually a good bit harder. You can get up to speed while you're still laying down and kind of stable, and then just pull yourself up. But it can be kind of difficult to pull yourself up. So I'm just going to show y'all real quick. Sorry, I'll probably go out of view of the camera before I'm fully up. But as you can see, I've got my right knee just down on the platform. Go ahead and start the thing up. Then just give it I would say that was a pretty good success there. jet ski started right up. We went out, had a nice little ride. I got to show y'all just a basic, easy way to start off. Now, it did have a little bit of a bog. I don't know if you could see it in the video while I was out there riding a little bit. But I did a few pulls out around a little bit, and it cleared up. It does have gas that's about a year old, and it only has about half a tank. The plugs could probably stand to be cleaned, but overall, it went really, really well. Hopefully, maybe over the summer, I'll be able to attach like a GoPro or something to it and actually go out on the water and you can see more of me actually riding. Currently, I just had to have my mom actually hold the camera while I went out and film. But it went really well. Thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.